This Asus laptop, my customer don't want to repair, so asked me to take up the hard drive inside and want to make it as an external drive. So this is a hard drive enclosure. Okay, this is for SATA, and this is the cable. Okay. Now we try to open up this Asus laptop. Okay. And the back got how many screws? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, I take up one by one. So make sure type of screw, that's okay, I put here. Okay, there's a 3 here, 1, 2, 3, and then I organize it properly, so little no. Okay. Okay, so we can open up this one, and I want to remove the keyboard. You just remove these 2 cables. Okay, and this is a DVD drive, and memory should be the built inside. So now what I want to do is we just take out the hard disk. Okay. Okay, here it is. Let's see how many gig of this hard disk. This is 500 GB. This is 500 GB. Okay. So now we are going to plug in this hard drive to this hard drive enclosure. Okay, and this laptop hard drive is SATA. So before that, we have to remove all these hard drive holder. Okay, now this is enclosure. And this is transparent enclosure, and it is 2.5 inch size. Yeah, sure can fit in. Just pushing. Okay, and slide in. That is. Okay, that is. So this is a cable. This is a USB 3. Okay, and from here we just plug into our laptop. Okay, now you can see my laptop can detect the D and F. D and F is belong to this external hard drive that I get it from this Asus old laptop. Okay, now I make it as a external hard drive. So D and F, if you make sure that all data you do want, you can format it. Okay, right now you have any data here, you can copy from here into your C drive. Okay, so if you want to format, you can right click here and select format. Same thing you do on this the second partition. Then if you want to unplug this hard drive, okay, you want to unplug this. If you want to unplug this external hard drive, so you must remove it in proper way. Okay, if not, you may corrupt the data file inside this external hard drive. Okay, eject. Okay, you see here, once you eject or you in proper way remove, you cannot see the D and F. Means that you manage to remove this external hard drive from your laptop.